Okay, so it is page 176, question number 4. This question and all these questions throughout this week are going to be dealing with either markup or markdown. Okay, sometimes you go shopping, you go to the electronic store, you go to the grocery store, you pay a little more or less of what is shown on display. You can either have a discount, markdown, a coupon, markdown, maybe inflation, mark up, or taxes, markup. Okay, you pay more than you're supposed to because of those little, I'm gonna say, changes on your prices. So this is a case of this problem before. An item costs $4 before tax. Okay, so these sandals cost $4 before tax. Okay, and $4.32 after tax. Okay, so if you do the math, that's $0.32 extra from original price. Okay, so the question is, what is the sales tax rate? Okay, now when I say rate in this case, they mean percent. Okay, how much percent are you increasing the price by? Okay, good. So again, whenever we see the word percent, or you feel like using percents, you better think of proportions. Okay, this way, this setup. Okay, so again, that's my hint to you. Whenever you see a percent problem, you think of this setup over here all the time during the quiz or during the test. Okay, don't forget about that. Easy stuff. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna ask, what is our 100% price? What's our original price of the sandals? Yes, it is $4. So I'm gonna just write down 4 as my 100% price. Now, since it's asking you for a rate, asking you for a percent, where would my X go? Under here, on the percents, or over here under the dollars? Left or right? Yes, it's gonna be left over here. That's where the percents go, so I don't know my rate, I don't know my percent, so I'm gonna put an X right there. Right across that X represents the extra that we're talking about. Well, how much are we adding to the price? We just figured that out in the beginning of the problem. It is 32 cents, so $0.32 extra that I am adding. Okay, good. Step 1 completed. Step 2, cross multiply. Okay, butterfly method, going from here and going from there. Those two circles, elongated ellipses, you need to draw and multiply the numbers inside those. First, I'm going to begin with x. Okay, so what is 4 times x equal to? You guessed it, 4x. Okay, good. And then we have 100 times 0.32 equals. Good. Remember the trick that we learned in the past weeks? Multiplying by 100 means moving the point twice to the right. Yeah, it's becoming bigger by 2 numbers, by 2 zeros, by 2 decimal places. So instead of 0.32, now I'm going to have 32. Wow, that's going to be a good number here. I suspect that. Okay, step 2 completed. Step 3, divide to solve for x. So I'm going to write down my equation. I have 4x equal to 32, meaning that 4 times a number x equals 32. So what number times 4 equals 32? If you already know it, cheers. But if you don't worry. We're going to figure it out by dividing both sides by what number? Yes, 4. Okay, that way these two numbers cancel. Okay, they cancel. And the x by itself now. All we're going to do is divide 32 by 4 over here. Okay, 32 by 4, which is a number that you should know. Equals? Yes, it is 8. Yeah, 4 times 8 equals 32. So 8 is my answer for x. But since I'm looking for a rate, the percent, I'm going to just draw the percent symbol here. Okay, so that's it. So my answer here will be what is the sales tax rate? And I'm just gonna write down the sales tax rate is 8%, which is very close to what California has for items. When you buy any items that are not considered food or edible, you get a very close 8% tax rate. Okay, all right, thank you.